Hi everyone! Today we're going to practice reading this story together. First, we will work on blending the sounds together, and then we will read the story more fluently. Here we go! P-ug, pug, at, the, p-ark, p-ark, park. Pug at the park. It's the title of our story, Pug at the Park. Here we go. P-ug, pug, pug. K-an, can, R-a-n, run. Pug can run. P-ug, pug, ass, has, fun, fun. Pug has fun. P-ug, pug, slid, slid. Pug slid. P-ug, pug, slid, slid on, his, leg. Pug slid on his leg. P-ug, pug, sat, and slid, slid. Pug sat and slid. P-ug, pug, had, fun. Pug had fun. P-ug, pug, can, swing. Pug can swing. ing together, as you noticed, makes the ing sound. So that's how we get swing. Pug can swing. P-ug, pug, can, sit, and swing. Pug can sit and swing. P-ug, pug, had, fun, on, the, swing. Pug had fun on the swing. P-ug, pug, had, fun, at the park. Pug had fun at the park. P-ug, pug, ran. Pug ran. Can you see in the picture where he's running to? Yes, he's running to his house. P-ug, pug, sat. Pug sat. What is he sitting in front of? Yes, the fireplace. That's right. Good job. P-ug, pug, is in bed. Pug is in bed. Good night, Pug. Can you say that with me? Good night, Pug. Yes, he is going to sleep. Great job with your reading. Okay, now we're going to read it again, but more quickly this time. If you can't keep up with me, that's okay. You go back to the beginning of the video and practice the slower version first, and then try with me. Also, you can pause the video anytime that you need more time. You can also mute the video so that you don't hear my voice, and you can try reading it all by yourself. Okay, let's read the story more fluently this time. When we read fluently, we are reading at the speed that we talk. Here we go. You can do it. Pug at the park. Pug can run. Pug has fun. Pug slid. Pug slid on his leg. Pug sat and slid. Pug had fun. Pug can swing. Pug can sit and swing. Pug had fun on the swing. Pug had fun at the park. Pug ran. Pug sat. Pug is in bed. Good night, Pug. Great job reading today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss out on any future videos that I put up on YouTube for you. Have an amazing day, readers, and keep up the great work. Bye for now.